Okay, video part 2. The good news is this isn't going to last very long. I just need to finish this page right here and then go over your assignment that you're going to do today. So let me finish this real quick. Sometimes you will see the following, but the words in parentheses are optional. So when we're talking about what people like, you have to have one of these in every single sentence. Me, te, les, nos, les. Okay, take 2, got a quick phone call, and I'm back. So as I was saying, you have to include these when you talk about people liking something, okay? However, you may see these guys as well, okay? You may see a mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, a él. Of course, from here on out, it's just basically if you name the person like we learned, you put an a. So none of these are really weird, except for a mí y a ti. You would never say a yo me gusta. You also would never say yo me gusta. Sounds really bad in Spanish. How you would say that, how you would specify me if you want to, it's optional. You would say a mí me gusta. And, you would never say tú gusta, tú te gusta. You would say a ti te gusta. All right, let's talk really quick about our assignment. And then I will be done, my friends, and you will have time to work. So thank you for your patience. So today we're just going to kind of practice our object pronouns. It says read the following descriptions of people and decide what they would like using your notes to follow the grammatical rules. You will use each option only once to create your sentences, and your sentences must also make sense logically. Okay, so basically what you have is I have you a word bank here. We have el ajedrez, las verduras, los deportes, las matemáticas. You can read, okay? And then we have a sentence that says Angélica y Mónica son muy atléticas. Okay? If they are atléticas, what do they like? You need to choose one logical answer, okay, based on what they like. It's very possible they like all of these things, but we only know they like kind of one thing. And I won't tell you what that is or give you a hint which thing that is. Okay, so in here you're going to make your sentence. Angélica y Mónica like whatever it is they like. All right. So you go and you just kind of look at the word. For some of these, for this one, for example, there are a couple of things they could like. As long as it makes logical sense, you're fine. All right. So you make your sentence and you tell me this one, for example, Angélica y Mónica. If you're naming them, you have to put an a before their name. So a Angélica y a Mónica. And then you're going to tell me they like sports. So we have like, gusta, sports is more than one. Oops, I told you. Gustan los deportes. And you would have to come back and add me, te, le, nos, les. A Angélica y a Mónica les gustan los deportes. This is only hard because there's so many different parts to it that you have to remember. Okay? So that's the first part. Okay, and then we come down to the second part right here. The second part of this assignment looks like this. We have Daniel on this side. We have Sandra on this side. They are different people, obviously. We're going to talk about how do they compare. ¿Cómo se comparan? We have a sliding scale of how much they like something. So there are things that they like mucho, les gusta mucho, les gusta a veces, y no les gusta nada. So of course you already know they like it a lot, they like it sometimes, they don't like it at all. And you can see exactly what Daniel, what he likes a lot, what he likes sometimes, what Sandra likes sometimes, and what they don't like at all. Okay, so then under this chart, everything you're using is going to come from this chart. We have some true and false questions. To answer your true and false questions, you can do it very simply by just like highlighting whichever one you think it is. You can pick your color. I'm not picky about it. Okay, I'm not saying that's the answer, by the way. I just totally just highlighted it randomly. Control Z. Yep. All right. So let's look at one of these. This sentence says, a Sandra no le gusta la música rock. I can go to Sandra's side. I'm going to find la música rock. It says she doesn't like it, and I should be able to see if that is true or false. Let's look at a couple of these because there's some things we haven't seen before. This one right here. A Daniel le gustan más las películas Disney que a Sandra. Ooh. So our sentence says Daniel likes Disney movies more than Sandra. Is that true? Más, remember, means more. So if I come up here, I can see that Daniel, oh my god, he likes Disney movies a lot. Now I need to go over here and see where she stands on Disney movies. So she likes Disney movies sometimes. So I think it's safe to say that yes, a Daniel le gustan más las películas Disney. He likes Disney movies more. Okay? Okay, the other one I wanted to show you is this one right here. We have the phrase más o menos, which means more or less. So menos, the word less, I just said it, the word menos means less. So be careful with that one as well. You also have a sentence like this one. A Sandra le gusta más la comida china que la comida italiana. Don't overthink it, okay? It says Sandra likes more Chinese food than Italian food. So basically, you can kind of tell what the sentence is saying. Sandra likes Chinese food more than she likes Italian food. All right? Okay, I think I better shut up because, God, I've talked a lot today, and you actually have quite a bit to do, so I'm going to let you get to work. My friends, thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you for watching the videos and participating. I know when you're at home, maybe you don't have anybody watching you or making sure you do, but if you're at the end of this video, it means you watched both, and I really appreciate you, okay, for sticking with this and trying to learn the language. I can't wait until we're all back in person, and that's about it. Have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday, my friends.